was creating moments, and strangers were responding. And if you think about measuring what you're going to do when you hit that red button against, am I going to create noise, or am I going to really just kind of take the opportunity, ready to be a little vulnerable, a little fun, to have energy, and to use it to demonstrate my hospitality to them?
Yeah.
And to kind of just create this little moment for them. Back to the relationship. I will get these lovely messages from strangers, and they'll just say, like, I love when you talk about how motherhood has helped you as an executive woman. I love how you bring in your running and exercise into, your professionalism. I really enjoy your videos. I just want you to know that I look forward. I hope maybe someday we get to meet each other. I'm like, what is all this? Right? Like, what is all this? I was creating moments, and strangers were responding. Even when I started to do it with video, it kind of took me back a moment, and I was shocked by these lovely little notes, and my goodness, they just gave me more energy. Duran to just make another one. Practice what you're talking about, and forgot about the data and the feedback loop, and just started to recognize the connection and the craving for it. And then how good it felt to serve that need. And it felt good for them. It felt good for me. And through that, I have had so many business relationships develop. It's kind of amazing, actually.